So, is Poe really the best AI chat app out there, or is it just another overhyped tool? Today we're diving into what makes Poe stand out and whether it's worth your time. Let's get into it. Poe is an AI chat platform designed to facilitate conversations with various AI models. At its core, it allows users to interact with different chatbots, each built on advanced language models, making it versatile for various needs. The user interface is clean and straightforward, which is great for beginners, but it also has features that might appeal to more advanced users. However, what stands out immediately is the ease of switching between different AI personalities, which adds a fun twist to the chatting experience. You can ask questions, get creative writing help, or even seek advice, all while feeling like you're conversing with distinct characters. But here's where it gets a bit fuzzy. While the app's capabilities are intriguing, there's limited information on how well it performs in real-world scenarios. Users might want to know more about the underlying technology or the specific models they're chatting with, which currently feels a bit vague. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Poe's user-friendly design makes it accessible, and the ability to switch between different AIs is definitely a highlight. It's fun and engaging, especially for casual users who just want to explore. On the downside, there are some frustrations. The lack of transparency regarding the AI models can be a turn-off for those who want to dive deeper into the tech behind the chats. Plus, power users might find the app lacking in advanced customization options. Another concern is that while it's entertaining, it might not have the depth or sophistication some users expect from an AI chat platform. It's worth considering whether Poe meets your specific needs or if you might benefit more from alternatives that offer richer experiences. In conclusion, Poe is an interesting option for anyone looking to play around with AI chat, especially if you enjoy variety. However, if you're after something more robust with clear transparency and advanced features, you might want to explore other tools. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations.